Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video. Today we will see the fundamental of one of the best company in the financial market. We will have a look at Muthoot Finance Limited. We will have a detailed analysis about the company from its business model to its fundamental key point. We will also have a look on the holdings of the shares and especially on the pros and cons of the company, and at last we will say about my own views about this stock. But at first, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share with your friends and family. So at first we will see the details about the company. So the company has diversified business which includes financial services, healthcare, real estate, plantations, foreign exchange, information technology, education, insurance distribution, hospitality and many more. There are many more companies where the company usually have more than 100% of its stakes, but they are not included in which sector they are. So they are basically involved in just the finance sector. And now we will have a look on the Asia Asset Finance Limited company, which is already one of the subsidiary of the main company. So the company has 73% stake and involved in the retail and business finance with 40 branches spread across Sri Lanka and a loan portfolio. Second subsidiary is Muthoot Home Finance. It is wholly owned subsidiaries involved in a home finance and a focus on leading to lower income group customer from the economically weaker section in Tier 2 and Tier 3 location. It is a loan portfolio of almost 2000 crores with strong capital adequacy of 46% and gross NPA of 1.56%. The third company, Muthoot Insurance Broker. It is a wholly owned subsidiary involved in the distributions of life and non-life insurance product to various companies which are included in the insurance company. They distribute 20 lakh plus policies and collect premium of 258 crores in financial year 2021. Bellstar Microfinance, where the company holds almost 70% stake. It is involved in microfinance lending, having a strong branch network of 619 branches spread across 19 states and 1 union and territory. Outstanding AUM stood of almost 3000 crores and the portfolio had almost 1% gross NPA as for quarter 2021. The next company is Muthoot Money. It is also a wholly owned subsidiary involved in the vehicle finance with a loan portfolio of 421 crores. The capital adequated for 25% and gross NPA of 9.24%. Current price of the company is 1130 rupees, which is 16% down from its all-time high. And in 10 years, the company has given a return of 550%. The all-time low of the company was 72 rupees in 10 years, and whereas the high was 1700 rupees almost. The company includes in the financial sector and it's a mid-cap company. Now let's have a look at the fundamental key points of the company. So the market price of the company is almost 45,300 crores. The PE of the company is 11.4. The ROC, which is return on capital employed, is 14%. The EPS, which is earning per share, is almost 100 rupees. The current price we have already told about that. The book value is almost 450 rupees. The ROE, which is return on equity, is 23.6%. The promoters holding is 73.4%. The dividend yield is 1.79%. And the face value of the company is 10 rupees. Whereas the 5 years growth of the company is almost 14%. The 5 years return is almost 20% and 5 years ROE is 25.4% and the 5 years profit is 27.4%. So these are the fundamental key highlights of the company, and now we will have a look at the PL of the company. So in profit and loss account, we will just see the marked area. So the operating profit of the company on 2011 was almost 1800 crores, which has been gone up to 9200 crores approximately on 2022. The OPM, which is operating profit margin, is almost increased from 2011 to 2022. And profit before tax has also been increased and keep on increasing on every year. And the net profit of the company is also seen to be increased, but you can see there is a reduction on the tax. At first on 2011 the company used to pay almost 35% of its tax, but on 2022 the company usually paid 26% just because of the company has involved in the investment category. So most of the money they are investing on buying some of the other companies. That's why they are paying low tax. The net profit of the company has also increased from 500 crores to 3000, almost 4000 crores. As on 2012, the earning per share of the company was 24 rupees, and on 2022 it was almost 100 rupees. Now we will have a look at the balance sheet of the company. So in balance sheet we will see only the marked area. So the total liability of the company has increased as the company involved in the financial market. So the borrowings of the company will be increasing just because whatever money they are getting, they are using it for their business. You can see there is an investment. You can see on the investment list, the investment of the company has kept on increasing, and the total assets of the company has also been increased. So, and the reserve of the company, which is another important thing, on 2011 was 1000 crores, and on 2022 it's almost 18,000 crores. So overall the balance sheet of the companies look good. Now we will have a look at the cash flow of the company. So the cash flow, we will only see the marked area. So in 2011 the net cash which the company has was almost 627 crores, whereas in 2022 it's almost 2000 crores. We will have a look at the pros and cons of the company, which is another important thing. In pros, the company has good profit growth of 27.4% CAGR in the last 5 years. The company has given a good return on equity, which is ROE, of 26.2% in the last 3 years. The company has also given a healthy dividend of 20.6%. Now we will have a look at the cons. So there isn't any cons of the company. Now we will have a look at the holdings of the company. So the promoters usually holds 73.37% of the company. The mutual funds hold 8.32%. The DII, which is domestic institution investors, hold 1.35%. The FII, which is foreign institution investors, hold 12.13%, and the retails and others hold 4.83% on March 2022. Now at last we will look at the summary of the company, which is an investment checklist, which are basically made by the experts. So the current price is less than the intrinsic value. Second, the stock has given a good return than the FD. Third, the dividend of the company is also looking good, and it's a good time to consider as a stock is not in overbought zone and there is no red flag signs, which means that the promoters had not placed any of its shares. And now about my view. The company has preferred a good result in the last 5 years. Even the fundamentals were good and the company has a solid subsidiaries company. And if we see at the traded public shares in the market, it is less than 5%. So maybe the growth even at the share price of the company we will see in the long term. And this is not a buy or sell recommendation, this is just for your personal knowledge. Do your own analysis before investing. Thank you for watching and spending some time with us. We will back with another topic. Till then, bye and have a nice day.